Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ISO 3D printing services. The cheapest services you can get. Anything you can possibly think about making, we have you covered. We can do it. We can do it. With our team working at the back end with us, we can get you covered. Yes, guys, but back to business. Yes, we can have you covered. Anything project, special project you think about doing, let us know in the comment section. And this is gonna be about around a small, not too long video about how things is going, how you can deal with our services. Just comment below and tell us what you need, what you want. If you wanna get into the business of getting into jewelry, you can hit us up. And yeah, we can literally make you some jewelry. You say, yo, I wanna get into toys. Yes, we can supply you. We can make the products for you. We can make the products for you guys, especially toys. And that's a great business, especially for kids. Like the 3D printed service that is available now, guys. Just comment below. You can get a quote from us in about 15 minutes. It will take not longer than 15 minutes if you already have a file. If we must source everything, it's gonna take us about 45 minutes. If we must source all the plans, everything, it's gonna take us about 45 minutes for you before we can give you a quote. But on the back end, if you already have the file, 15 minutes stops, then you have a price point on how much it will be to make, how much it's gonna cost you, all that beautiful things. But right now, the 3D printing business is going on. It's thriving. I'm just chilling here on holiday, taking a break from business. But tomorrow we will be heading home, so then I will be back to business again. And my new orders for the guys is waiting for order. Don't worry, orders will be available for delivery on Monday. Orders will be available in Monday. And yeah, the 3D printing business is going smooth. We just need to be patient, guys. Everything takes time. But literally, as I say, anything you can think about, in form of products, we can make a lot of products for you, where you don't even need to have a machine yourself. You can just plug and play. That's the best thing about us. You can just plug and play. Then we do all the work for you. You just end up paying for the product and getting your product delivered to you straight to your house. Doesn't matter what product we're selling. Better believe it, we send that product 100% back to your house. straight to your house. We don't start sending it to other place or warehouse, or we send it straight from our warehouse to your place. Straight. No other stories. Nothing like this. That's all the 3D printing services. Every customer that's already there, hang on until Monday. Monday your orders will be delivered. And thank you. But for all the guys who want to be doing some 3D printing, some prototypes, talk to me. Have me on the comment section. Talk to me. Like any prototypes idea you have, any physical product you want from us, just talk to us. We can make sure we meet your requirements, and we do business. You understand what I'm saying? And we do business. And thank you very much.